Bana ba ko gae, ladies and gents, welcome back to the Dotted Nose channel with your guy KG. I hope you guys are doing good, and as it is stipulated in the title of the video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove or uninstall a software program from your laptop. Now basically what you do on the laptop can also be done on your desktop computer. Alright, we'll be using Windows 10 to do this, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video, even though it will be short, because I'll be showing you guys the shortest route on how to do this. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. If you haven't liked this video as yet, hit that like button as well as the notification bell for when I uploaded other videos, so that you can continue to stay in tune with regards to the videos that I'm uploading. Remember, we are preventing ourselves from becoming victims of identity theft, and furthermore securing ourselves and upgrading our computerized skills. Alright, so let's dive in. First thing that you will do, you will go to your Windows button on the left bottom corner known as the Start button. You can also utilize the search option there, as well as Cortana, by speaking to Cortana and telling her what you want to search for. Alright, then you will just type in Control Panel after you have been able to tap on either of the options, the search button or the window button. Alright, now you see on that menu screen that is provided, known as a window as well, you have open right here. We have apps, we have documentation, we have the web, and more. Basically with the documentation, there's no control panel unless you yourself have a document that you have named control panel and saved it on your device, right? Like as you can see down there below, it says an app. You can go ahead and click on it or press the enter button. Then you will see a pop-up window with another menu. Let me just maximize it so that we can focus on the screen specifically. On the menu, we have systems and security, we have network and internet, hardware and sound, and then we have programs, right? And you can see under the programs we have uninstall a program. All right, remember I'm showing you guys the shortest route to do this. All right, then we have other options on the menu on the right column. We'll just click on the uninstall a program instead of pressing the programs, and after programs there will be programs and features that you need to press on, and then it will take you to the screen. So why not rather just click on that link of uninstall a program, right? So you'll have a list of all of the softwares that you have installed on your PC, or rather the laptop, right? And it's from A to Z. All right, and you can scroll down to that specific software that you want to uninstall, or rather you can just tap on one of the softwares, then press the key on the system that you want to uninstall. All right, now as you can see up there, we have uninstall, change and repair. All right, these are the three options that we are given. All right, so with the repair, you will be repairing the software. If you want to change or customize the software, you can go ahead and press that change button, and then you have uninstall. All right, but I'm not going to be uninstalling my virtual DJ. I'll be uninstalling a free screen recorder because I have tons of them. So I just decided, why not rather show you how to uninstall a specific software that you do not want on your laptop or your computer. All right, now softwares differ from point to point. When I click on Steam, you can see that we have only one option, which is uninstall. If I click on the VLC media player, you'll see I have uninstall or change. All right, so they differ from point to point in terms of features. All right, But let's go ahead and uninstall one of the programs, which is Free Screen Recorder 10.80. All right, sometimes these softwares that you have installed on your PC will duplicate themselves. Why? You have a version column, and if there was an upgrade or an update of Free Screen Recorder 10.8.0, we would have another 10.8 but with a 1 at the end, right? So basically you will uninstall the 01 because it's not the latest version, it's the initial version, right? But let's just go ahead and uninstall. You click on the uninstall button. It will show you a user control window where you need to consent to go ahead in order to go ahead with the uninstall option. And then if you click on that show details, you have your show information about the publisher's certificate, change when these notifications appear. Basically with that change option, you're just changing the option of being able to consent if you want to agree or not. Like when you click on that uninstall button, it won't show up, it won't pop up the screen anymore. It will just go ahead and uninstall the program. But it's best to leave it like this so that you can be able to decide properly, right? So that's about it, but they're not basically that important. Then you just click on the yes button. All right, the publisher here is Thundersoft Studio. That's the publisher. And then we have another pop-up screen. It says, are you sure you want to completely remove Free Screen Recorder and all of its components on this laptop? I'll click on yes. Sometimes, like I said, it differs from software to software and its features, right? These pop-up screen won't be this multiple, like it won't show multiple not softwares, pardon me for that. It won't show multiple screens of are you really sure, you understand? So yeah, then we'll just click on OK. Once we've clicked on OK, the software is removed, it's no longer there. We just have FreeCam 8, the publisher iSpring Solutions Inc. It was installed today, and the size as well as the version. All right. So ladies and gents, that's about it. That's how you uninstall a program on your PC. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate those who have already subscribed. If you have any questions or any other softwares that you want me to do, please do comment down on the comment section below. Look at the description box where I have showed you guys step by step on how to uninstall a program in the shortest way. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a lovely day, and for those that are sleeping, good night.